Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready. Account credentials and two-factor authentication. This prevents lockouts. Once done, install the official SDK or client and confirm it's version 1.0 or newer because compatibility matters. Make sure to collect 1050 representative input samples and label them consistently so training or testing is meaningful. Then connect the client to your account and run a small sanity check request. This confirms your environment works before you proceed to heavier steps. You now build the core pipeline, clean and normalize data, and choose a batch size between 8 and 64 to balance speed and stability. Next, select model parameters, learning rate, epochs, and any augmentation, because these control convergence and generalization. Once configured, run iterative tests and log metrics like accuracy, loss, and latency so you can compare runs. Make sure to version your experiments and save checkpoints. This allows rollback and informed tuning instead of guessing. You finish by validating on a holdout set and computing 3 to 5 key metrics so performance is clear. Once satisfied, deploy with a canary rollout to a small percentage of traffic and monitor for 24 to 72 hours to catch regressions. If things go wrong, check logs for errors, reduce batch size, or lower the learning rate because these fixes address common instability. Finally, iterate on the best checkpoint and redeploy. This disciplined loop keeps performance improving while minimizing risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.